Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got some good news for this weekend. The doctor says shortwave listening should be better. Listen.
Solar flare and particle radiation storm outlook over the coming week. Everything is still in the green when it comes to solar flares. We do have region 2700 that's firing off a couple B-class flares, and it's even launched a mini solar storm at us, but it's just not been enough to raise the solar flux level beyond the poor radio propagation conditions. But you amateur radio operators should be going, yay, because old region 2699 is about to rotate back into Earth view. It will likely be renumbered region 2701, and with it is going to come some boost, well-needed boost of the solar flux to bump us back into marginal conditions, and they should happen before the end of the week.
Okay. I monitor her show all the time because she does this uh, show on what's happening with the solar activity. And about 8 months ago, I sent her an email and I says, could you please include the effects on amateur radio and shortwave listeners? And she has done that for me ever since, and I appreciate it. Please check out her YouTube channel. There's the name of it right down here. I won't try to pronounce it. I think it's Tamantha Scove, I think is. And she's a doctor in this science. So check her out. Great information. Subscribe. Even mark it to send you an email when she does a show. She does them about once a week or so. And she always adds a little bit of information about solar activity for us shortwave listeners and amateur radio operators. And she's telling us, even though things are pretty bad, they're going to be a little better, about all you can ask for this weekend. So take a look at it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye.